Hi, this is Linda. Just a little quick video. Sorry you don't see me right now. Maybe I'll get on a video later. But just a quick one because people have been asking me for different things. On my YouTube channel, I have the strawberry crustless pie. Here's the, oops, don't want to turn that, recipe that I have on YouTube. And today I did a little different dessert. We have friends coming over tonight that sing with us at a retirement home that we go to twice a month, and I always make a dessert. So tonight I'm making my strawberry, instead of the crustless pie, I am putting it in a graham cracker crust for those who are not Weight Watcher people, but the graham cracker crust is not that much. The rest of this stuff is usually what runs a lot of the calories and points. Here's what I use, just giving you a brief overview. For the pie part, I sliced up 2 containers, sorry they're not in here, of strawberries, sliced them. And on the stove, I took the vanilla cook and serve pudding right there and mixed it with 2 cups of cold water and whisked it together real good. Brought it to a boil, stirring it often. And then once it comes to a boil, you turn it off. Then you add the one large package of raspberry sugar-free jello or strawberry for sugar-free jello. I like the raspberry, it's a little bit sweeter. And of course the cook and serve is the sugar-free. Make sure it's the cook and serve. This will not work with the sugar-free instant vanilla. It has to be the cook and serve. Anyway, so after the cook and serve pudding comes to a boil with just the 2 cups of cold water, turn it off, add the raspberry jello, and stir it together until well blended. Then I pour it into a container and put it actually in the freezer to cool while I cut up the strawberries. Then I sliced up 2 packages of strawberries. I set them aside, and then I took my 2 graham cracker crust that I had, because I'm making 2 pies, and I put the strawberries equally into the 2 graham cracker crusts, and I poured the jello and pudding mixture over the top of both of them equally, and then covered it with foil and put it back in the refrigerator to chill. Then I took 2 cups of the Greek yogurt, non-fat plain Greek yogurt. This one here is from Costco. I really like it. It's a lot cheaper, especially since I use the Greek yogurt for a lot of recipes. So I used around 2 cups of that, and I had half of a package of the cheesecake instant pudding, sugar-free instant pudding cheesecake. So I did 1 full one and 1 half one, because that's what I had, mixed with 2 cups of the sugar-free Greek yogurt. I put it in my big mixer and whipped it all together. Then I add a half of a container of the fat-free Cool Whip, because this is very low in points, and then blended it some more. And then for a little bit extra sweetness, I added around a quarter of a cup, 3 or 4 tablespoons, right around there, of the sugar-free, this is the Maple Grove sugar-free syrup. This one here is the lowest in Weight Watchers points. It's 0 on my plan, and it's real good. I stock up on this. I get it at Walmart, and there are a few other stores that carry it, but this brand is the lowest and tastes great. So then I mix that all together for the cream topping. I've now got it chilling in the refrigerator separately. I'm going to go have lunch with a friend, then run an errand. Then I'm going to come back later. I'm going to get the pies out. I'm going to top them with the cheesecake. Okay, I'm back. I've had these in the refrigerator for, I guess, about 6 hours while I was running errands. They're really set up. I had covered them with foil. Got my little thing on. Hope you guys can see me okay. I covered them both with foil, and I had them in the refrigerator chilling while I was having lunch with my friend, and then running errands, and then doing some housework. Anyway, so now they're all set. You don't have to chill them this long. I think 3 or 4 hours is good enough. Here is the cheesecake pudding topping that's going on it. So now I'm going to just take it and put it on top of the cheesecake, of the strawberries, kind of equally. See if I can do this while I'm recording and doing this at the same time. Very tricky. And so I'll probably fast forward through this because all I'm going to do is put this on the top so you can see how it goes. Okay, I finished topping them with the cream cheese pudding. So now they're going to go back in the refrigerator. Our friends are coming over. We'll probably be eating these probably about another hour and a half. It's pretty well set up. This is just real creamy, kind of like a whipped cream on top, very thick. And so this will be great. I'll put down what the points are on my plan, but of course the recipe, you'll need to plug it into your recipe builder if you're doing Weight Watchers and to figure out the points on it. But everything inside of this is sugar-free. The only thing that has any sugar is this graham cracker crust. You can make this without the graham cracker crust. I make this strawberry crustless pie all the time. But since we were having other friends over tonight, I decided to put it into a graham cracker crust. And graham cracker crust is only 100 calories per serving anyway, so it's not that bad. So now I'm going to cover these up. They're going to go in the refrigerator until we get ready to eat, and then I'll come back when I slice them up and see what everybody thinks. Okay, it's all done. I'm getting ready for our guests to come over any minute, so I've got my husband shooting this real quick. But I just cut the first piece. I'm cutting these into 6 slices, and you can see this is with the sugar-free cream cheese topping, which is like the pudding on top, and then there's the strawberry pie inside. I don't know if you can zoom in on that, babe, or not. But anyway, and then I have another one just like this because I made 2 of them. And we'll see what they think in a while. But it turned out real good. So how do you like the pie? Taylor wants some.
Well, Taylor can't have any because I'm eating it all. Thank you very much. Thank you.
What do you think?
Mmm, delicious.
My sweet friend. And Gary, what do you think?
Yum.
Okay, thanks guys.